Namaste everyone, starting our chair yoga. Circle your arms up, look up, inhale. Exhale, fold forward, hands on the floor, chest over your thighs. Inhale, look forward and come all the way up. Exhale, release the pose. Inhale, open your knees wide and take your arms in cactus. Exhale, hands in prayer position, fold forward. Inhale, rise up with your chest. Exhale, arms in cactus. Inhale, hands in prayer position, take a prayer twist, hook your left elbow to your right thigh. Inhale, hands in prayer position. Exhale, prayer twist over left, try to hook your right elbow to your left thigh. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, release the pose, arms in cactus. Inhale, hands in prayer. Exhale, fold forward. Placing left hand on the floor, take your right hand up, gaze over your right hand middle finger. Come to prayer position. Exhale, right hand on the floor. Inhale, left hand high up towards the sky, gaze over your left hand middle finger. Exhale, release the pose. Inhale, circle your arms up, look up. Exhale, hands on the floor. Inhale, raise your right arm up. Exhale, right hand on the floor. Inhale, raise your left arm up. Exhale, left hand on the floor. Inhale, come all the way up. Circle your arms up, hands in prayer position. Exhale, slide hands to heart center. Inhale, open your right knee to the right side of the chair and extend your left leg back. Raise your arms up for warrior one with deep inhale. Exhale, open your arms wide. Right hand is in front of you for warrior two. Inhale, raise your right arm up, left hand on your left hamstring. Exhale, bend your right elbow, place it over your right thigh. Left hand is up and over your head on inhale. Exhale, release the pose. Knees to the center. With inhale, take your left knee to the left side of the chair. Extend your right leg back. Inhale, raise your arms up for warrior one. Exhale, open your arms wide. Left hand is in front of you. Warrior two. Inhale, raise your left arm up. Right hand on your right hamstring. Exhale, bend your left elbow. Place your left forearm over your left thigh. Inhale, right arm up and over your head. Extended side angle pose. Exhale and release the pose. Inhale, take your right knee to chest. Exhale, extend your right leg in front of you. Arms in cactus, that's a challenge. Holding your right ankle with your left hand, place it over your left thigh. Raise your right hand up, place right hand behind your right hip. Raise your left hand up, place left hand on your right knee. Gaze over your right shoulder. Moving to the center, release the pose. Raise your arms up and fold forward with exhale, hands on the floor. Come up, raise your arms up, exhale, release the pose. Inhale, take your left knee to chest. Exhale, left leg extended in front of you, arms in cactus. Hold your left ankle with your right hand, place it over your right thigh. Raise your left hand up, left hand behind left thigh, right hand up, right hand on your left knee. Gaze over your left shoulder. Look forward, raise your arms up. Exhale, fold forward, hands on the floor. Inhale, rise up with your chest. Exhale, release the pose. Moving to cat and cow. Inhale, arch your lower back, scoop your chest, look up. Exhale, tuck your chin to chest. Inhale, drop your belly, scoop your chest, look up. Exhale, round with your lower back, tuck your chin to chest. Once again, arch your lower back, look up. And release the pose. Circle your arms up, interlace your fingers, flip your palm towards the sky. Lean to your right. Inhale to the center. Exhale, lean over to your left. Inhale to the center. Look up. Exhale, fold forward with straight spine. Inhale, rise up with your chest. Exhale, release the pose.